Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of the 123 Games, and today I'm going to teach you how you can make your own first YouTube channel icon. So you need this one website of easy website that I use to make this logo here. And speaking of that, I am on 48 subscribers. Yay! So just 2 more subscribers for the Q&A. Now if you don't know what I'm talking about, go to the discussion right there, and here's some information you need to know. So add me on Discord if you have Discord, and see, look, if I get 50 subs, I'll do a Q&A. And I will post a video about asking me any question when I get 50 subs. And also make sure to join my Discord squad so make sure also to join my Discord squad because I'm doing a special event. Alright, so make sure also to join my Discord squad because I'm doing a Hype Bravery event next year. So make sure to join and add me on Discord for more information about that. For proof, here it is. That's my Hype Squad Discord server, and you can add me by clicking on that link. Now I already joined because I'm the person make the group, so I will join anyway. And let's get to the tutorial. So website I use is Logo Maker. Alright, just copy this link, and it's a free website where you can make a lot of logos. Now I did it with my icon, the 123 Games, and also I'll tell you some more information, more pictures that I made from that. Alright, so you just think, oh, what channel should I make? And you said, oh, maybe the sport, or you can make other channels. So just search here, sport. Okay. Now I'm going to choose. There's a lot of things in here, so make sure you pick which one is your favorite. Now my one's probably is, I'm gonna pick this basketball, and you can color it. Now just to make sure that if you pick an image with just a black outline, the outline is going to be colored. If you pick like that one, all of them are black, you can actually change the color of it. I'm going on black because skateboard is black. The color of the thing is black, skateboard. Now that's what we get. And also I'm going to pick one more. You can pick any image. There's a lot. Should I pick? This shoes right here. The good shoes for football, I think. Now I'm just putting it in the center, right there. And you can move it, you can change the color, you can do everything. But I'm just going to change the color of the shoes blue. That's good. Now for text, I click on the text button and type something you need. So I'm going on decorated and that one. It's kind of like Google Doc where you can pick one font. Let's try what? There's a sport channel, so I might put tutorial. You can change the thing. There we go. I'm just making it smaller. No, it's bigger. No, sports tutorial. Sorry. Tutorial. There we go. Sport tutorial. Now you can do anything, alright, kid? Guys, you can do anything. You can do gaming channel, you can do sport channel, you can do however you want. I'm going on, I don't know, red, maybe? Yep, perfect. Now how do I make this text go back so the wheels of the skateboard doesn't get covered? I could hold to the text and throw it down, just like that. Now the wheels of the skateboard cover the text. That's what I want. I'm going to move it like that. You stay there and make the trees open. It's pretty okay. Now for backgrounds, I go in shapes. I'm doing a cool background, so I'm going on that. I'm doing a cool one. Or you can make anything. You can even copy my background if you want. So I'm going on, let's see. What color is the best? Purple. And if you want the background, just do the same thing as the text, but make it down, just like that. And I'll do another shape, square. Even it. Like that. And for that one, for the other background that I used to be seen, I put it second. I don't think it will. Yeah, there we go. That's what I want. So background first, then the shape. Alright? Remember that. I'm just making it. Yes, that's cool. Now probably the text not that good, so I'm making the text black. No, yeah, black. And make the skateboard gray kind of thing, just like that. And there you have it. Now I don't actually have sport tutorial channel, so I'm doing it on my 123 Games account. So I go on Save Lego button, the top right corner. Now this is Canada. It's $19, but I'm gonna do low resolution, and then it should right there. I'm going to rename it Test. Right click, rename Test. Actually, so we have another test. Name again Test YT1. I'm gonna move it to pictures, just like that. And go there, and just wait for a moment and I'll be back. Alright, so I'm going to click that camera button, click on edit. I'm going to cancel it, so just to see how it looks. So there, it's not on about me, I'm sorry. Oh, it's okay in here, I think. I'm just gonna upload a photo. There we go, Test YT. And that should look like it. Very quick, very nice. You can crop it. And yeah guys, I'm not going to save it, but I think that is all for today's tutorial. If you like it, make sure to smash that like button, and I'm going to doing the Q&A if I got 50 subs. Now here's some other things that to make sure. Now if you see on my new videos I post last week, I'm pretty sure it says my forever intro tutorial right there. Now it doesn't mean how to make it, it means how it doesn't mean how to make it. It's actually mean if I do a forever intro tutorial. So like if I do a tutorial video, that intro we'll go to the tutorial video, which is this video. Alright, and my forever intro, that for gameplay, gaming, whatever, any video that are not tutorial video are this intro. Now for the Q&A, I'm putting on tutorial because it's kind of like tutorial, kind of like slash tutorial Q&A. So yeah, and if you haven't looked at it, here's the video. Alright, I think I'm just going to end it right here. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And I will see you on the Q&A video. Bye!